So how do you start the Peugeot 5008? So first thing is you have to have your foot on the brake, and you have just the start button here on this one. Make sure it's in park, which it should be. You just press that one and the vehicle's started up. Nice and simple. So how to change gear again. Remember, I've got my foot on the brake. It's an automatic, so you've got the park, reverse, neutral, drive and manual there. Manual just means you can use these gear shifters on the side of the steering wheel, both sides. So all you do is foot on the brake, and then you just move the selector down to the side spot. I'm going to go into reverse, go up, then press park to put it in park. So down, neutral, drive, and then neutral or reverse. And if you want to park, get and press in there. Great thing about reverse is you've got the handy little camera as well, and the parking sensors. So the handbrake on the Peugeot 5008, really simple. It's just here. Push it down to turn it off, pull it up to turn it on. You also got park here at the top, but I always say put your handbrake on, put your handbrake off. Nice and simple. So where's the fuel cap on the Peugeot 5008? The first thing to do is pay attention to that sticker on the windscreen. It tells you it's petrol and it is on the right hand side. Then come out here, and all you do on this one, you just push it, pops open, and you just use your, turn that undoes it, and it tells you what fuel it is there on the cap as well. So to adjust the mirrors on the Peugeot 5008, nice and simple, where it should be, the wing mirror thing there, you just turn that to the right, and then you would just adjust the mirrors with these buttons here, left and right, and as you can see, it does that there. The same, you just move it to the other side, and you would just adjust these ones. Again, just doing them on these buttons here. So how do we adjust the seats on the Peugeot 5008? Nice and easy. You've got the wheel at the back here, and you've got this pump action to go up and down, just like you normally would, and the bar under the front to take you, back and forth. So it's just in here, so you push that button, this flops open, and you've got a USB-C, two USB-C minis. So satnav, so you've got a couple of options on here. So we've got this console here, you can either connect up to your Android phone or your iPad, your iPhone as well, or you can use the nav here as well. So you just select that one there, up to here, put in your location, wherever you want to go. Boom. And you got it up there.
You will arrive at your destination at 15:13.
Simple as that. Again, I often use the Android Auto just by connecting up my phone to Bluetooth. It automatically talks to you through it. You use your Google Maps. That's always more reliable than the navigation systems built into the vehicle. So to demist the windscreen in the Peugeot 5008, or to turn on the aircon, you can use these. So to demist the windscreen, just press that one and this one. That will start to demist your windscreen. And to turn on the aircon, you've got on this center console part here on the LCD, you can just hit that. That brings up a screen here, and you can just scroll across here to turn down the power. And you can obviously turn it down, turn it up, change the direction. Same for the driver's side. There's lots of options for you there. And that's how you do the aircon and demist the windscreen on the Peugeot 5008. So how do you set cruise control? So you need to be going 25 miles an hour in the car for this to work, but effectively it's all on the left hand side of the steering here. So you would effectively press assist, which would then effectively is your cruise control. They call it assistance because it's got this adaptive part here. So you would press that, you'd hit OK, and you'd select your speed by going up and down. It automatically will put you on the speed that you're already going, and obviously if you want to increase that, you can do that. And you can just have it accelerate or slow down based on the distance to the car in front. Just by pressing this one, you can have it closer or further away. So how do we turn off lane assistance, which annoys a lot of people? So you can scroll along this one here and you'll find this ADAS. Select that one. This screen will pop up here. You can see you've got a couple of options. So you can turn that one off and you confirm it. So how to turn off auto start and stop. You've got this screen here, you can just scroll along, press this ADAS one. Screen will pop up here and you can scroll down to auto start and stop and turn that one off as well. So there's no tyre inflation kit or spare wheel with the Peugeot 5008. It comes empty. So the locking wheel nut in the Peugeot 5008 is just in here, and it's either in the glove compartment underneath this book, just there, or it's sometimes kept in the back here, in there. So just have a look around, it being one of those two places. So how to adjust the rear seats on the Peugeot 5008. So you've got to, what I usually would say is to move the seats forward with this bit underneath it, and then you can use the handle up here to drop that forward, and you can get in and out quite easily there. And then round the back, all you got to do is lift that up and then simply pull the seat up, lift the headrest up, and that's your 7 seats. When you don't want to use that anymore, you just pull this lever here, push the seat down, and obviously you can pop your seat back like that. Another little handy thing here is you pull this lever, seat folds down, so you've got a long space in the back, and you can do that with the other seats as well.